Hello and welcome, dear streaming world on YouTube. My name is Murian-Coush Addem, and I will show you today how to install the Python, the Python in the Knime. And the Knime is a kind of analytic platform, and you might want to link or orchestrate your workflow that you have some data, and then you transform the data further with Python, and sometimes you don't have the opportunity to do this in the Knime. So I want to show you how to get this tool working in the Knime. And yeah, basically, first thing to do is menu and then install extension. And if you then click here to the Python on the top, you will be seeing this one, and this is what the install is. And you can also do directly install the Conda integration, but in my case, I didn't do that. So I will show you how to just do the Python integration. I did install, it just take a while, 5 minutes or something like that. And yes, and the next thing would be to install some kind of Conda on your PC because you need the Conda to make it work. I will show you here in the preferences. If you search for the Python, then we see here you have some kind of bundle, or I don't really know what that means, but then you have Conda and Manuel, and Conda and Manuel is, for example, here they don't find the Conda environment because I didn't choose the install the Conda right in the name, so we will do it manually. And I did already do something here. Still, I did already install something. But if you didn't do this here, if you want to, for example, you would be, oh, I think I have some Python on my PC. I want to just put here the Python text inside. It doesn't work probably because it needs the conda specifically, and it does also not work above Python 13.1.3, and this is why we need the 3.9. So what I was doing is I was using this script here, just in the CMD, just anywhere on your PC. You can use it just as users, then your username, and then run. Oh, this is. No, 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 never mind. Just run this one without any username. You can just run it, and it will create your. This is the name, by the way. You can choose by yourself. You can also put here la 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 if you want this as a name, right? And it will install the piece on with 3.9, and this is exactly what was happening. For example, here in my user folder, we see there's the Conda environment. So yes, Conda environment Knime, and down here's the Python X. So it's basically another Python environment. So yes, I was doing this. And then my Conda was developing. It took quite a while. I will show you the video of some how it went in the box here. Yeah, and then I was doing this, apply close, and now should be able to use the Python tool in the Knime, and I'm very happy to have helped. So if you have anything to say, just do it. And for now, I will thank you for the attention. My name is Murian-Coush Addem, and I'm happy for having this. Yes, thank you.